In the vast expanse of our modern world, a silent crisis unfolds, impacting every corner of the globe: the distressing state of our food production systems. Our planet faces environmental degradation, food insecurity, and unsustainable agricultural practices, threatening the very foundation of human survival. As biodiversity dwindles and fields turn barren, our capability to feed the growing population is jeopardized. The misuse of resources, reliance on chemical inputs, and inefficient land use have worsened the fragile balance between nature and the sustenance it provides. We find ourselves at a crucial crossroads, where our actions today will determine the fate of future generations. Yet amidst these daunting challenges, a ray of hope emerges. Around the world, individuals and communities are pioneering innovative methods that promise not only to address these urgent issues, but also to redefine our relationship with the nourishing land. We embark on this journey of discovery together, exploring remarkable agricultural transformations that carry the potential to usher in a new era of food production, ensuring a thriving, secure future for our planet and its inhabitants. Delving deeper into sustainable agriculture reveals a world of innovative technologies revolutionizing farming. Precision agriculture optimizes resource use, dramatically diminishing the environmental footprint. Vertical farming, a paradigm shift, maximizes space in urban centers, while aquaponics and hydroponics present soil-independent solutions, combining fish farming with crop cultivation or growing plants in nutrient-rich solutions, respectively. These forward-thinking methods not only reinvent food production, but also reimagine our bond with the land, water, and ecosystems that sustain us. By adopting such technologies, farmers can ensure food security for future generations while nurturing our planet. Transitioning from innovation to tradition, we revisit the rich soil of history, where sustainable practices like crop rotation, composting, and integrated pest management form today's agricultural backbone. Far from being antiquated, these age-old methods are essential, ensuring our food systems are efficient, ecologically sound, and sustainable. Crop rotation revitalizes the soil naturally, composting enriches it organically, and integrated pest management prioritizes ecosystem balance. These practices, coupled with modern innovations, are making a measurable difference globally, bridging the past and future in our quest for sustainable agriculture. Around the world, from Southeast Asia's terraced fields to Africa's vast plains, sustainable farming practices are transforming landscapes and lives. In India, organic farming and crop rotation have reinvigorated barren lands and bolstered the local economy. Brazil's large-scale farms, through integrated pest management, have reduced chemical use and enhanced environmental health. These practices yield significant economic and community benefits, demonstrating the global power of sustainable agriculture and its role in nurturing a healthier planet. At the crossroads of innovation and tradition, we witness a transformative era in food production. This journey belongs to us all. It highlights a future where food security and environmental sustainability are intertwined. Sustainable food production extends beyond the fields. It's about preserving our planet, nourishing populations, and building resilient communities. As we continue, it becomes clear your involvement is key. Learning, supporting, and advocating for sustainable agriculture can propel us towards this sustainable future. Together, let's champion a world where every meal nourishes us and respects the earth. The time for action is now.